Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today we're making chicken satay with Balinese peanut sauce. Put the lime juice, the zest, into a mixing bowl. Then you're going to put the peanut oil, the fish sauce, the coriander, the cumin, and the sriracha in a bowl. This will be the marinade for the chicken. Then you're going to want to trim the chicken into about 1/2 inch strips. So I trim up some of the fat and stuff and then just slice it into long 1/2 inch strips and place it in the marinade. So put it in a bowl that you can throw in the refrigerator with the lid. Marinate it for 3 hours. Sometimes you can go longer. So now we're going to move on to the Balinese peanut sauce. Going to combine all these together and then warm them up. You don't want them to simmer. You're just going to warm it up on a cooktop, and it kind of melts everything together, all the oils and flavors and stuff. So do this right before you're ready to serve up the chicken. So I do this, and then once I'm ready, I put it back on the burner basically. Looks delish, doesn't it? Yummy. So it's heating up. You can see how smooth it gets now. It almost looks like caramel. It is good stuff. So next you're going to skewer and grill the chicken or cook it. I just skewer mine right up the middle as best as I can. You need to soak your skewers for a good hour in water. That way they don't burn. Let's get them all threaded on there. You might want to wash your hands after this. Get your grill hot. Now what you want to do, I have 5 burners. So those 2 burners, the 2 middle ones are on. The 2 outside ones are off and the very middle one is off also. That way you don't burn the handles of your skewers. So the meat is directly over the 2 burners that are on. And look at that, magic. Go about 4 minutes on one side, turn them over, about 2 minutes on the other. And I have my grill, those 2 burners are on high, which I think is around 400 degrees. But these are thin, so they cook pretty quick. So I have a cold one, a hot one, and a cold one. There it is. A hot one, and then the last one's cold also. So you can see where the handles line up. They don't get burnt that way. Once they're cooked to your liking, make sure they are cooked. It is chicken. You can serve them up on a cucumber, mint, lime salad. That's what I made there. I'll put a link how to make that below. And there you go. Dip them in that awesome peanut sauce. And enjoy. Remember to subscribe.